Huwag na. Listen YouTube, ha? You would see it.
Put it on my Facebook.
Give me your Facebook account, ha?
Same as hers. Rosalina 494.
Yeah, after. Don't talk. I'm concentrating. The best job
The guy who gave me the free tattoo. Back when I was in Texas, I did woodwork. So I built him a cabinet, you know, to keep his ink and all that stuff in. So he gave me the free tattoo. I built him a roller thing. So people could rest their arm while he makes tattoo. So he gave me another tattoo. He was old biker. He made tattoos on something. He like he built
But you know this some artists in US.
no stencil.
They want the tattoo in Philippines. The tattoo artist in Philippines is much better.
Yeah.
You believe in that?
They got whole magazines now on this tattoo. People,
You know this, Ricky Santana? This is
I don't know Ricky Santana.
It's good enough. It's better than me, but but he charges you better. Maybe this one he will charge you.
There's 2 or 3 Filipinos in Kuwait that make tattoos.
But you were in Kuwait. What?
Yeah, I've been there for almost 5 years.
I work there. I work in Saudi, Qatar, Dubai.
Yeah, everybody, you get a tattoo, they have to come to your house. They don't have
No.
tattoo
Tattoo is
shop.
when I arrived there. This just my, part time.
Yeah. Yeah, him too. I don't know what else he does. Drive taxi or work in the oil field or something, but he does tattoos basically.
Tomorrow you will see YouTube. Maybe I will charge you extra here. No.
Don't put on the YouTube that is temporary.
I'm just joking. If you give some, I will get some. Don't problem. But these my people, bro, they're very loud. They're all in YouTube. This is my first time to make tattoo in YouTube. They are taking us with YouTube now, right now. But before, they are very loud. I was the one who made the video.
He's making video now.
Yeah, he's making the video right now. Smile. Right. Ate.
Hoorah.
Bakit sura ko din?
Okay lang yan.
Hindi na naman ako magkamali.
You put that on people's Facebook.
Somebody they make temporary tattoo for the this permanent. They don't have, no problem. They need the, no? Wala ako dito.
Daddy, you see there, I can go. Aligo.
Oh, Ugo, you stay
I
here.
will find my mobile.
Maybe I will kidnap for ransom, sir.
You wouldn't get in the first.
What about radio here?
Good.
There are a lot of drugs.
No. Used to have all the girls, you know, nice, nice boy, married man now.
Yeah.
I was married for 22 years. Yeah, she could not have kids.
With that girl?
No, my wife was married.
Ah.
She could not have kids. And then she was like,
She couldn't
couldn't have
for you.
kids. And then she had like mental problems.
I see.
So I divorced her.
That's the good thing you don't like the course. Yeah.
She told
Maybe you will suffer for
the judge give her everything. House, car, 5 hectares of land, everything we
Really?
own. Everything we own, she got. Yeah.
Oh.
So I just ruined her.
Where do you find
I met her in Kuwait.
in Kuwait? Where she working in Kuwait?
Yes.
So, cellphone or internet?
She had a friend who worked in a restaurant. I used to eat in a lot.
You work. You eating.
So her friend in the restaurant.
Do you know kabsa?
Who?
Kabsa, this Arabian food. You know this one?
I don't know it by name. I've probably seen it or ate it.
Because I worked before in Middle East. I know about
I don't
all
eat-
this
I don't,
Middle East.
Well, you much like Arabian food.
You don't eat
Yeah.
like much.
Now they make like a lasagna
Lasagna.
that's full of little chili peppers.
Yeah.
Very, very hot.
Yeah. Very hot.
Yeah, very hot. It's good.
Extremely hot.
Yeah, it's good though. With the noodles and the cheese and the meat and then all those little tiny chili peppers. And shawarma. Shawarma is good.
But you eat before sawak.
I probably have. See, like, you can't get much pork in
No pork.
Now I could buy on the army base and
Yeah.
take home.
Yeah.
You know, bacon or pork chops sometimes.
Yeah.
Nothing in town. No.
No, you can try it.
Pork shawarma would be good.
Very nice topic.
My birthday party last night, we had four pig legs.
Yes. Wala. Tagal mo siya. Hindi ka na makakita yun. Wait na. I will make one.
Damn, you're both left-handed? You left-handed or can you tattoo both hands?
No.
Left-handed?
Why? Why did you take me?
He's left-handed too.
Yeah. I will make like round here. Huh?
Okay, round the circle.
Oh, now round the so-so.
Trying to wean the baby off so she put ginger on the so.
Because if I will make small hair, not good. Because you have nipple here, I will make
lot of
no problem. This is your problem, not my problem.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hairy.
Hairy, ha?
Yeah, very hairy.
No problem?
No, no problem.
Oh,
Beautiful.
you know, maybe you will be my last customer. This may our last day.
You like this?
Okay, it's good now.
Magkano?
Depende sa design.
Kung malaking ganyan ka na.
May depende rin. May 150.